In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Microsoft Teams meetings using both Outlook and the Teams app. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure you feel confident setting up your meetings with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to gain access to Microsoft Teams. The quickest way to do this is to open up your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Teams. Once you're on the official Teams webpage, look for the Sign In button. It's usually prominently placed on the homepage. Click on it, and a new page will prompt you to log in. Here, you'll need your Microsoft account credentials. If you're already signed in elsewhere on your browser, Teams might automatically redirect you to your dashboard, saving you a few seconds. Upon logging in, navigate to the sidebar where you'll find various tabs available for different functionalities, but our focus right now is the Calendar button. Go ahead and click on it. The calendar will display either daily, weekly, or monthly views of your meetings, depending on your last accessed settings. This is a centralized location within Teams that allows you to manage all meetings effectively. Now, to share an existing meeting or create a new one, we need to locate the specific meeting you'd like to work with. Scroll or search through your calendar until you find the meeting slot. Click on it, and the meeting details will pop up. This section gives a comprehensive overview of the meeting settings like time, duration, and participants. When you have selected the meeting, it's time to share this with others. Look for the icon that resembles a link or chain. This is the copy link option. Clicking on this will automatically copy the meeting link to your clipboard. It's a neat and quick way to ensure you have the exact URL ready to share. You can now paste this link into an email, instant message, or wherever you wish to distribute it. Using Outlook follows a similar streamlined process. Within Outlook, find the Calendar tab, and you can either create a new appointment, selecting the Teams meeting option, or modify an existing one to include Microsoft Teams. The feature seamlessly integrates, offering a straightforward method to push out invitations and track responses. And there you have it. Scheduling and sharing a Microsoft Teams meeting is simple once you know your way around the platform. Remember, whether using the Teams app or Outlook, the process remains user-friendly and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and it empowers you to manage your meetings effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing your enhanced productivity with these tools.